Hi, I'm Abby and I'm from the charity Heads On,
the official charity for Sussex Partnership NHS Foundation Trust.
They're the people that look after mental health services across Sussex, including the children and adolescents mental health services in Sussex and in Hampshire. Thank you so much for taking part in the Everyday Smiles project. I really hope you enjoy watching the artist demonstration and enjoy making a box that you can keep things in that makes you smile. You may be wondering though what mental health actually means. Mental health is when our thoughts and feelings are starting to make us feel bad. Sort of like when we have a pain when we fall over, we might get a bruise. Mental health issues, you can't always see our feelings, but sometimes our bodies may still show signs. And one example of mental health can be anxiety. This is a word that describes feelings of worry, fear and panic. Sometimes when we have these feelings, our bodies might even start reacting too. Our heart might beat faster. You might start to breathe faster. You might even get sweaty hands and a dry mouth and feel really shaky. We might also have feelings and thoughts about what if, and all sorts of sad and negative thoughts too. These feelings are really normal when we are feeling threatened or in danger. You can even get these feelings from a memory, a thought, or even an image. Some of the thoughts we have when we're feeling anxious can be worrying about what others think of us. It could be worrying about what might happen to our friends and family, and just worrying about everything around us. The most important thing you can do is, if you are having these feelings, is to talk to somebody about how you're feeling. This can be a responsible adult or teacher. Remember, these feelings will pass, even if they're really horrible. There's lots of things you can do to help distract yourself when you're having these feelings. You could watch a TV show that you really like. You can listen to music. You can spend time with your friends and families. You could do reading, or you could even do any other hobbies, or even sit outside in the garden or go for a walk. We can't always avoid our feelings, so there's lots of other techniques we can use, which we've sent out a guide to your teachers. I really hope this can help you, and there's lots of things that you can find every day that makes you smile. I really hope this talk has made you understand a little bit more about mental health and make you realise how grateful we are for you taking part in the Everyday Smiles project. Thank you very much.